Okay, how are you guys today? I have a Mercedes C-Class C18. Okay, I just want to change brakes on it. So, first thing, I open the brake fluid bottle. I'm gonna loosen the wheel. Okay, my nuts are loose. So the nuts are loose. So don't take them completely off because you might ruin the threads on the bolts. So yeah, I'm gonna check it. So then we're gonna do this process together. I'll show you. Okay, so I've got my trolley jack, my 4-ton jack. So you jack it here on this plastic spot here. That is where you put your jack. Don't jack on the body, it might bend the car. So always you look for this spot to jack it on. Okay, my wheel is off. It's just jacked up. My wheel is jacked up high enough. So I'm just checking the nuts. This it's off. Okay. Okay, the wheel is off. I have my spanner. If it needs spanner. I have Allen key, so it doesn't need spanner. I've got my Allen key, 7mm Allen key. I have my flat screwdriver. So, okay, I'm gonna do this. We take the covers first off. Then if you look inside, there's Allen there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna put my Allen key in and then hit it down because I'm taking off the left side one. Okay, so it's loose enough for ratchet. Okay, the bottom one, the same process, hit it down. Okay, I've got my small Allen key for small ratchet. So we're gonna loosen it. So we're gonna just loosen a little bit, not much. I'm gonna loosen a little bit, not much. Okay, so I'm gonna put my screwdriver in here for leverage to open it, to open the brake caliper. Just check that. Just check that. It's open. So and then I'm gonna put to that side brake pad. I'm gonna push on the brake with my screwdriver on the pad. I'm gonna push inwards. I'm gonna push. Okay, as you see, it's all the way in. And then as you look outside here, there's like spring. You push your flat screwdriver into that spring. Okay, the spring is out. So we back again on our bolts. Okay. 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 Now it's loose, and then I'll just pull it down because the bottom one is loose. Okay, that is our brake pads. Okay, it's got like clips they hold inside there. So you just have to pull it a little bit hard. Okay. That's it, our brake pad on C-Class.